Okay, so say it one more time because I didn't hear it the last time.
Okay, hear me now?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so I have three realtors basically show interest on some properties I sent offers on. One was not really
Nice.
fond of the creative, but I did say that we can go cash. I'm watching the videos on how to run the comps right now. If I'm Unfortunately, I'm not by my computer, so I might kind of just text you later on and see what we could get done to run the comps because I have some on the list, or at least I put them down. It's just that I don't know if they're really the best ones for the property. I'm pretty sure they're
Wait,
good, but
wait.
also I need
Hold
help.
on. Hold on. Is the property on market?
Yeah.
Then the ARV doesn't matter.
Oh,
Yeah. So if the property is on market, all you have to do is go to this calculator, the deal machine calculator.
yeah.
Go to MAO. I can tell you how much you can offer right now. What do they have it listed for?
They have it listed for, gosh, what was it? I believe 275,000.
Okay. And how much
Or
work
no, it
does
is
it need?
300 and it's 315,000. It's 315,000.
Okay. And how much work does it need?
It doesn't need that much work at all. They kind of pretty much renovated it. He said that they put 16K into it, at least for
Mm-hmm.
of this year. And from what I remember, I think if I check the value, how much it went up since January, it was about I think 53K is what it said on Redfin.
Okay. And how long has it been on market?
It's been on market for I think it's been 73 days.
All right. And then how much are you trying to make on the deal? What kind of assignment fee would you be looking for?
Really just like 10K, 8 to 10K if anything.
So you can offer them $179,000 cash.
Okay.
Are you still there?
Yeah. Is that would that be my MAO?
Yeah, that'd be their max allowable offer. Because here's the
Okay, got
situation,
you.
and you should watch the should I offer cash for an on market property video that I have. I can DM it to you if you need it. But
Yeah, that would be great.
the the long and short of it is that every single local investor has already seen this property. So for the last 73 days, regardless of what the ARV is or the $16,000 they put into it, every single local investor that's looking for cash deals, 73 days did not make an offer on this property. So that means it's
Okay.
probably priced too high. So for us to wholesale an on market property for cash, our formula is 60% of what it's listed for minus rehab minus assignment. So 60% of what it's listed for minus your $10,000 assignment is a max allowable offer of $179,000. So if you get this under contract for $179,000, then you can probably move it to an investor who will buy it for cash.
Got you. Huh, 179,000. He told me that he had an offer for 200,000 and that wasn't even good enough for him.
Yeah, that's why I would definitely recommend watching that video. It'll give you some insight on what to do when the realtor only wants cash.
Yeah, if you could send me that, I'd definitely watch over it.
Yeah, I can send that to you. It's no problem.
Okay, so that was that. And then I had one realtor, they didn't even really try to negotiate or anything. They kind of just accepted the offer. Seemed like just like, okay, cool, send the contract over. I'm having difficulty sending the contract because I know you mentioned in like the buyer field of the bottom of the contract for the assignees, I believe, whatever, signers.
Hmm.
I don't have
Wait,
a buyer yet.
yeah, that's okay. You're the buyer.
Okay, so I would just put my information there and then I have to send it over to them.
Right, but make sure assignee and assigner, that sounds like you're talking about the assignment contract. That's not the contract you send. You send over the seller finance contract. That's the
Yeah.
purchase agreement. The assignment contract goes to your buyer once you have one.
Okay, so then the realtor gets a purchase with sale agreement.
Correct.
Okay, got you. And then what else is there? Honestly, that might be it. That's kind of what I had concerns about because I
Gotcha.
wanted to get it done yesterday, but I just got so caught up.
No, it's okay. Watch the video that I just DM'd you. It's
Okay.
about the cash for on market properties. And then go to the Discord on the bottom left, look at the seller finance contract channel. The
Seller
contract there,
finance.
and then there's a video there showing you exactly how to fill it out. But here's the thing. It doesn't sound like they accepted your offer. It sounded like
Right.
they want you to send it over so they can see the contract. So when you get to the part where you put in the seller's information, you don't, that's where you stop. So all you're going to do is fill out the contract, put the terms in, the address, just follow the video. Then you're going to sign it and you're going to date it because you're the buyer right now until we assign it to somebody else. Once you've done that, you're going to leave the seller's name blank. You can put the address, but the seller's name, you leave that blank because you don't know what that is. And then you're going to download that contract from DocHub or DocuSign, whatever you're using. You're going to download it and save it to your computer as a PDF. Then you're going to email it to the real estate agent as an attachment. Once
Okay,
they
got you.
once someone has said, okay, we've seen your contract, we're ready to move forward, then you ask the real estate agent, all right, what's your seller's email address so I can send them a signable copy? Then you finish the video out. And that will be putting in the seller's email address, putting in that box for them to sign, for them to put their name, and then sending it to them for signature.
Okay, got you. Will you be posting this on YouTube so I can rewatch it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
It'll be
sounds
up
good.
either it'll be up either later tonight or tomorrow. I'll get it up as soon as I can though, and I'll send it to you.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'm just now getting back into this because I have so much schoolwork, but I've been sending offers out and getting some responses. So,
That's what's up, man. That's how it starts. A little bit
all
at
right,
a
well,
time until you get one.
thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Not a problem. Have a good rest of your day. I'll talk to you later.
You too.
All right. See ya.